Thank you for tuning in to Abundant Moments. In 1 Kings chapter 17, we have an account of a prophet by the name of Elijah. And there was a famine in the land, and God had instructed him where to go during the famine so that he would receive food and water. And of course, he obeyed the Lord. He went there, and after a little while, then the brook dried up. And then God told him another place to go. He instructed him as to where he should go, and he was going into the famine. Now, does that make sense to go into the land of famine when you don't have any food yourself? No, not in the natural, but when you follow God, then it does. And you probably know this account. As he went into the land of famine, he found a woman that had one son, and she was getting ready to prepare their last meal because they had no food left. But because God gave instruction and he obeyed and she obeyed, God sustained the prophet and the woman and her son. I came by today to tell you, sometimes it doesn't make sense in the natural what the Lord will tell you to do. But know this, he knows what he's doing. And he is not only helping and providing for you, but if you look behind the scenes, you'll see that there's somebody else too, that the Lord is ministering to, that he's helping through your act of obedience. So even when it doesn't make sense, let's obey the Lord because he knows what's best. He knows what he's doing. So let's just trust him and let's obey him and just see what happens. Thank you for tuning in.